central view. White band silence, then a spark appears, a hidden voice from distant spheres. No name, no face, no origin, just fragments riding noise within. But Mike just not so seen it before. Every signal leaves a war. From the ether to the core, data streams begin to form. What was chaos now aligns, threads of truth in broken lines. Iris in the noise tonight, pulling shadows into light. From the static, from the void, every signal is deployed, integrating deep inside, where the hidden signals hide. Mike says, listen past the lies. Iris never shuts its eyes. SDR chains in silent sync, gigahertz on the edge of brink. Dynamic range stretched razor thin, catching ghosts that drift within. Burst transmissions hop and fade, spread spectrum games they thought were safe. But correlation draws the line, time becomes the grand design. Clarification, layer by layer, pattern forming in the air. Modulation stripped away, truth revealed in delay. Iris in the night tonight, turning fragments into sight. Through encryption, through disguise, every waveform testifies. From detection into trace, every source has left a place. Mike says, track it, don't assume. Every signal fills the room. Direction finding phase aligned, TDA redraws the mind. Hyperbolas cut the land, converging under steady hand. Real-time streams, no second chance. Man, everything the dance, recording everything that moves. Nothing lost, nothing to move. Decryption waits behind the wall. Not every code is meant to fall. When Meta Tower sings out loud, a fingerprint within the cloud. Clarification sharp and cold, separates the noise from gold. And in the end, what can't be seen still leaves a trace in the machine. Covert operation, silent grid, where what is known is what is hid. Antennas wide across the sky, watching everything pass by. From distant whispers to microwave screams, from narrowband lies to Optium dreams, all flows into a single site, a system built to